Hello, AP plus world travelers. There's something truly magical about the natural world. Places so breathtaking. They seem to belong to a realm beyond our own. Vast landscapes that challenge our sense of scale. Vibrant colors that feel like they've been painted by an artist. And formations so unique, they defy explanation. These wonders remind us of the raw power and beauty of nature. Where science meets the fantastical and the impossible becomes real. From tranquil waters that reflect the heavens to mysterious terrains shaped over millennia. These locations capture the imagination and stir the soul. They invite us to dream, to explore, and to believe in the extraordinary. In this journey, we'll take a closer look at the most surreal corners of our planet. Uncovering the hidden stories behind their beauty and marveling at the sheer wonder of it all. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be transported to a world where reality feels like fantasy. Imagine standing in a place so vast and otherworldly, it feels like stepping onto another planet. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. Stretching over 10,000 square kilometers in the heart of Bolivia. This natural wonder transforms dramatically with the seasons. During the dry months, it becomes a sprawling expanse of gleaming white salt, stretching endlessly to the horizon. But after rainfall, the surface turns into a giant mirror, like reflection of the sky. Creating an illusion where earth and heavens merge into one. Whether you visit during sunrise, sunset, or under a canopy of stars, Salar de Uyuni offers a surreal experience that's both humbling and unforgettable. Get ready to explore one of nature's most extraordinary masterpieces. Hidden in the misty mountains of China lies a landscape so surreal. It feels like a scene from a fantasy. Welcome to Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. A natural masterpiece of towering sandstone pillars, some rising over 200 meters high. These dramatic formations, shrouded in lush greenery and often cloaked in mist, inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. With its ancient forests, crystal clear streams, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a realm of unparalleled beauty. Join us as we journey through this awe-inspiring park. Where every corner reveals a glimpse of nature's artistic brilliance. Imagine a place where endless white sand dunes stretch as far as the eye can see. Interrupted by shimmering turquoise lagoons. Welcome to Lençóis Maranhenses National Park in Brazil. A natural wonder that seems almost too surreal to exist. During the rainy season, rainwater fills the valleys between the dunes. Creating a magical network of crystal-clear pools. This otherworldly landscape is ever-changing as winds and seasons reshape the dunes into new patterns of beauty. Whether you're walking barefoot across the warm sand or swimming in the cool, serene lagoons, Lençóis Maranhenses offers an unforgettable experience like no other. Get ready to explore a desert oasis that feels straight out of a dream. Step into a hidden world carved by nature over thousands of years. Welcome to Antelope Canyon. A mesmerizing slot canyon in Arizona, USA. This natural wonder is famous for its flowing sandstone walls. Shaped by wind and water into smooth, wave-like patterns that seem to dance in the light. As the sun streams through narrow openings above, dramatic beams of light illuminate the canyon's vibrant hues. Creating a breathtaking interplay of shadow and color. A sacred site for the Navajo people. Antelope Canyon is not just a visual masterpiece, but a profound connection to the Earth's beauty and history. Get ready to uncover one of the most photographed and awe-inspiring landscapes in the world. Deep in the heart of Namibia's Namib Desert lies a place that feels frozen in time. Deadvlei, an eerie yet stunning clay pan surrounded by towering orange dunes. The ghostly silhouettes of ancient camelthorn trees. Long dead, but preserved by the arid climate. Stand like sculptures against the cracked white earth. This striking contrast of colors, the blackened trees, the bright orange dunes, and the deep blue sky creates a surreal, almost otherworldly landscape. Deadvlei isn't just a place to see, it's a place that stays with you. A stark reminder of nature's power to create haunting beauty in the harshest of environments. Rising like perfectly shaped mounds from the earth. The chocolate hills of the Philippines are a natural wonder that seems almost too precise to be real. Spread across the island of Bohol, these more than 1,200 symmetrical, cone-shaped hills are covered in lush green grass. It turns to chocolate brown during the dry season, giving them their name. The site of these uniform formations, stretching endlessly across the landscape. Feels like stepping into a whimsical fairy tale world. Scientists speculate they were formed by ancient coral deposits. But their true origin remains shrouded in mystery, adding to their enchanting allure. Hidden in the lush forests of the Philippines lies the Enchanted River. A place that seems to flow straight from the pages of a fantasy novel. Its water is an otherworldly shade of sapphire blue. So clear it appears almost unreal, as if lit from within. The river's mysterious depth and unknown source have sparked countless legends. Earning it the title Enchanted. Local folklore speaks of ethereal beings guarding its pristine beauty, adding to its mystical allure. As sunlight filters through the trees, the river shimmers with an almost magical glow, inviting visitors to marvel at its tranquility and wonder. The Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park. Is a vivid masterpiece of nature that defies imagination. This enormous hot spring, the largest in the United States, radiates vibrant colors of blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, resembling a giant liquid rainbow. The surreal hues are the result of heat-loving microorganisms that thrive in the spring's varying temperatures. Steam rises from its surface, adding an ethereal touch to this geothermal marvel, which is as fascinating as it is beautiful. Set against Yellowstone's rugged landscapes. The grand prismatic spring feels like a portal to another world, captivating all who stand before it. The Plitvice lakes in Croatia are a living masterpiece of cascading waterfalls. Turquoise lakes and lush greenery, forming one of the most enchanting natural landscapes on Earth. This UNESCO World Heritage Site consists of 16 terraced lakes. Interconnected by a series of breathtaking waterfalls that seem to dance down the landscape. The crystal clear waters shift in hue from emerald green to deep azure, depending on the angle of sunlight and mineral content. Wooden pathways wind through this watery wonderland, inviting visitors to explore its serene beauty. It's a place where nature's artistry is on full display, a symphony of water, light, and life. Off the coast of Mauritius, a breathtaking illusion known as the underwater waterfall. Creates the appearance of cascading waters sinking into an abyss. This natural optical wonder is not an actual waterfall. It is a mesmerizing effect created by sand and silt being carried by ocean currents over the edge of an underwater plateau. From above, it looks as though the ocean is pouring itself into a mysterious chasm. Captivating all who witness it. Set against the island's turquoise waters and lush landscapes. The underwater waterfall is a testament to nature's ability to craft illusions. It boggle the mind and ignite the imagination. Deep within New Zealand's Waitomo region lies a subterranean realm that feels plucked from the stars. The Glowworm Caves. Inside, thousands of bioluminescent glowworms illuminate the dark, rocky chambers, creating a breathtaking spectacle akin to a galaxy scattered across the ceiling. As you drift silently through the caves on a boat, the shimmering lights reflect on the still waters below, enveloping you in an otherworldly glow. This natural phenomenon, created by the larvae of tiny flies, transforms the caves into a place of pure magic. Leaving visitors in awe of nature's delicate artistry hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Every spring, Belgium's Hallerbos transforms into a scene of unparalleled enchantment. earning its nickname as the Blue Forest. A sprawling carpet of blooming bluebells covers the forest floor. Creating an ethereal sea of violet hues that stretches as far as the eye can see. The slender trunks of ancient beech trees rise above the blossoms. Their fresh green leaves filtering sunlight into a soft, dappled glow. Walking through the forest feels like stepping into a dream. The air is filled with the delicate scent of flowers and the whispers of nature. The Blue Forest is a fleeting wonder, a perfect reminder of the magic hidden in the natural world. Hidden within Iceland's Vatnajökull Glacier lies a world of breathtaking ice caves. Sculpted by the forces of nature into crystalline works of art. These caves, formed by glacial meltwater carving through the ice, reveal walls of vivid blue that shimmer like polished glass under the light. Each winter, new caves emerge, offering a fleeting glimpse into this frozen wonderland before they disappear with the changing seasons. Inside, the silence is profound, broken only by the occasional drip of melting ice. Creating an almost otherworldly atmosphere. Exploring these caves is like stepping into another realm, where time slows and the raw beauty of nature takes center stage. And that wraps up our journey through these 13 breathtaking wonders of the world. From shimmering salt flats to glowing caves, from frozen glaciers to vibrant rivers, these places remind us just how extraordinary our planet truly is. If you've enjoyed this virtual adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of Earth's hidden gems. Let us know in the comments which destination left you in awe, or if there's another wonder you think we should feature next. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and remember, the world is full of magic just waiting to be discovered.